Hi campers, this is the Bento Buster and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make some crispy karaage chicken with some awesome umami undertones, using a secret ingredient. In my bowl I have chicken thighs, already cut up into karaage sized pieces. Now this recipe is really easy, you hardly need any ingredients at all. First, in goes some shoyu. Next, in goes some sake. This is cooking sake, you know, the cheap stuff. And after that, the umami bomb. In goes the bonito flakes, the secret ingredient. And guess what guys? That's basically it. These bonito flakes are actually called Katsuobushi. Katsuobushi is dried, fermented and smoked skipjack tuna, and is sometimes referred to as bonito, hence bonito flakes. Along with kombu, it's one of the key ingredients to make dashi stock. So guys, this is packed full of umami goodness. Now I bet you've never seen it being used to make karaage before. Well, now you have. Fish and chicken might not seem to go well together, but actually they do. Well, in this dish they do anyway. As I mentioned before, these bonito flakes are going to give this chicken a nice umami flavor, kind of like a hit of dashi. You'll definitely notice the umami undertones, but you won't be able to place it. So it's a nice alternative to adding garlic and ginger. Okay, now the next step is to thoroughly cover each piece of chicken with potato starch. And if you don't have potato starch, cornstarch will do just fine. Now this step is great chopstick practice, but if you can't be bothered, just use your hands. Okay, all done. Now it's time for my little buddy to strut his stuff. Okay, these are looking great. They're totally covered with potato starch, so the next step is to deep fry them. The chicken, guys, not my little buddy. He's the best, and he loves his little walkies. Okay, now the next step is to fry the chicken over a medium heat for about 4 minutes. And by a medium heat, I mean about 170 Celsius. And once they're in the oil, don't touch them, because you don't want to remove any of that coating. It's important not to overcrowd the wok, so only fry a few at a time. After a few minutes, once that coating's become crisp, then you can touch them. It's been about 4 minutes, so I'm going to remove the karaage from the oil and let them rest. Okay, these are looking good, but we are not finished yet. I'm going to let these rest for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then I'm going to deep fry them again over a high heat for about another 2 or 3 minutes. And by a high heat, I mean about 180 or about 190 Celsius. Now if you can't be bothered following these steps, fry them at about 180 for about 6 minutes and they should be fine. Maybe. Okay, time's up and these guys are looking nice and golden brown. I think they're done. Yes, these guys are ready. They are looking fantastic. Now I'm not sure if you can see it, but the potato starch gives these guys a real two-tone appearance. So they're not only delicious, and packed with umami flavor, but they look good too. Okay, now that wasn't hard at all, was it? Now the final step is to eat them. But before I do that, let's admire them first. And now that the sun's out, you can really see the two-toned colouring. Now trust me when I say this, these are really good. They're crispy and crunchy on the outside, and nice and juicy on the inside. And after you've taken a bite, you really can pick up that umami flavour of our secret ingredient, the bonito flakes. But don't tell anyone, it's our little secret, right? And if they do ask, tell them, it's sea chicken. That's bound to confuse them for a moment. Now like I said, these are super easy to make and they require very few ingredients. So if you've got nothing to do this weekend, give them a try. Okay, thanks for watching guys, I'm the Bento Buster and I'll catch you next time.